I've been looking for an answer in your inner eye. I've been pulling back the curtains of your paradise. I've been killing all my instincts in the suicide. I've been killing all the instincts in the suicide. I've been holding to your words like I'm a kid again. I've been waving in your face just so you won't forget.
Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing my face, my name is Marianne Okonkwo. On this channel I make YouTube videos ranging from beauty, lifestyle and vlogs, and very little unboxing here and there. So if this are contents that you're interested in, then consider subscribing to my channel and also liking and commenting what you liked about this video unboxing in the comment section as well. I'm going to leave a link to all the accessories that I purchased for my new laptop in the description box, so make sure to check that out. I also have an unboxing of the Apple iWatch Series 6 and also the iPhone 12 Pro Max. They are all going to be linked up here and also left in the description box, so you can definitely go watch those ones once you're done watching this. I ordered the MacBook Pro 13 inches MacBook Pro 13 inches in space gray, two 16 gig RAM and 512 gig. The previous laptop I had was 8 gig RAM and 256 gig, and I struggled with space. It was a hassle. Like, I had to edit and do any major work off my laptop, so I had to get like hard drives. So I have like 2 hard drives. One is 1 terabyte, which is finished, and then the other one is 4 terabytes, which is almost free. I know. Go through all my hard drives and take out any junks that are there. So, but yeah, I'm so excited. We're gonna go jump straight into the unboxing because nobody likes somebody who blabs a lot, right? So let's go straight into unboxing. And oh yeah, just before we start unboxing it here, I ordered this laptop on the 30th of January / 1st of January, and it said it was going to arrive on the 18th, 17th actually, and then later I said 15th, and then I just woke up this morning, I got an alert that it's in the FedEx van and it's going to be delivered today. I was shook. I thought I was dreaming because it didn't reflect in my Apple store, but yeah, it came in today, and I'm just going to make a video of the accessories that I got for my laptop, and that would also just be merged with this one. So let's go straight into the unboxing. One thing I really like about Apple products is the fact that they always make it so easy for you to open. They always have like a little flap where you just like tear and just go straight into like unboxing it. So I'm gonna do that. I have my phone here, which is going to be recording everything. I'm so happy. You guys have no idea how excited I've been. I have not had a laptop for like 2 weeks, so I had to put a lot of my YouTube videos and work and business on pause because I didn't have a laptop. I tried as much as I could to use my phone, but there are certain things that you need on the big screen. So yeah, I'm so excited.
I see the way you move, dancing dirty Diana. You say don't get comfortable, I'm too hot to handle. Many promises but no guarantees. Just say to believe all that I can be.
I'm just going to pop right in. I know you're enjoying this video, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and of course leave a comment down below. And I'm sure at this point you're wondering, like, what do you have on your face? You're looking nice. Your lashes are nice. These are not my natural lashes. These are lashes that I saw on my online store. They are the style called Jolly. So if you go to our website, it's the lash style called Jolly. It's absolutely beautiful. I have no makeup on my face, but you can see that the lashes just made my face like pop a little bit more. And on my lips, I used Bat. This is a Cupid collection. It's one of the new lip glosses that we recently added. So stunning and absolutely moisturizing. If you can. The second shade is called Rose. Pretty shade, by the way. And then I use our 2-in-1 lash adhesive to apply my lashes. So definitely check our store out, maybeautypro.shop. Let's get back to the unboxing.
I see the way you move, rhythm talks and you listen. Coconut spelling.
Let me show you guys my new laptop.
You get down to business, yeah. Said I'm drawn to you and just can't get enough. Question mark of mystery, even wanting some more. Caught me at first sight. I know that.
So this definitely feels lighter than my previous laptop, and it feels so sleek. like, yo, feels so sleek. I'm definitely getting a case, which by the way I should check. I was waiting on getting a hard case because I wanted to be sure, find out if my previous case could fit this, and that way I could save some money. So let me actually get the case and see if that would fit it, even though like it has like chipped here, but I actually do not want to waste it. Yeah, I sort of like fits. I think it sort of fits, like kinda. You just have to force it, but let's finish unboxing it and then I'll figure it out. But I'm so happy I didn't like throw this one away. What? Did you guys hear that? Wow, wow. So it's asking me to select my language. I'm just going to go ahead and select English. My country, I'm just going to go all the way down to continue. Oh, accessibility. I don't even know what this one means because I can't remember coming, you know, seeing this in my last thing. Accessibility picture, that's the one.
But by the look on your face, I can see that you're loving it. Is it real or facade? Can I tell what you got on? What's good, yeah, what's up? What's the deal, like for
Yeah, because my last laptop, my apps were always crashing. So I would always have to like do this stuff, send them a crash report. So I think I'm going to turn this one on so you can do that automatically. Continue, enable Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
Just see to believe all that I can be. I see the way you move this dirty Diana. You say don't get comfortable, I'm too hot to handle. Too many promises but no guarantees. Just see to believe all that I can.
I don't know what this one is. Just keep that. This laptop feels stronger and more solid. And one thing though, the trackpad looks bigger, like in terms of length. It's definitely longer than my previous one. I'm going to try to connect to my Wi-Fi again. Okay, so I'm just going to delete some stuff from my dog just because nobody needs to see everything. Contacts, I don't think I use this very often. So remove, reminder, I don't use this, remove. So I have to figure all that out and still play around with it. I'm going to share, do a customization video if you're interested. Let me know, I'll happily do that for you. But in the meantime, let me go ahead and install my Macbook Pro. And that's basically everything with my unboxing. I'm so excited and I'm so grateful that I was able to get this laptop. I'm going to be playing around with it and I'm going to be doing a customization video and also showing you guys some of the accessories I got for my laptop. As I said, I'm going to manage this until it gives up on me because your girl is not about to spend like 20 bucks on a hard case. So, and it seems to fit, so I'm going to be trying this. I'm getting a mouse just because I do a lot of business work and editing on my laptop. So sometimes, especially when I have my nails on, it's always very difficult working on the trackpad. But I absolutely love this laptop. I'm so happy and grateful that I was able to get the space gray one. It doesn't look super dark like I've been seeing in people's video. It's just like gray, you know. So definitely, yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to. I'd really appreciate it. And on to my next one, guys. I love you guys. Bye.